Alrighty, welcome back to 3-Minute Formulas brought to you by Notion Workflow. So in today's video, we're going to be going over the ifs function or the ifs formula in Notion 2.0. And I've just created this very basic example between a checkbox with nap and checkbox with games and a formula to sort of understand and visualize the ifs formula. In most cases, we want to sort of create a status or an output when certain criteria overlap. So there's 4 different outcomes that we want to sort of organize for this ifs formula. I'm going to use the empty function and the explanation point to say not empty. So if nap is not empty, we're going to say nap. It's pretty simple, very, very straightforward. Now let's say if games is not empty. So now when we have selected the checkbox for games, it says gamed. But now look what happens when you click on both, right? Notice how the napped formula output overrides the gamed output, so that even if you have gamed and you click on nap, it overrides and switches to nap. And so the reason why I'm showing you this video today with this Venn diagram is it has everything to do with exclusivity and the ordering